My 2009 Nissan Murano is special in that the previous owner had the cats burn out on him and completely block themselves off with carbon. Because of that, of course, the car ran horribly, as you might imagine, and he had to remedy the situation. Well, his repair was to completely delete the cats, remove them, as well as the mid resonator, or one of the resonators on this car. And because of that, today I have a very interesting sounding exhaust for my 3.5 liter Nissan Murano. So in today's exhaust video, you're going to hear a 2009 Nissan Murano with a cat delete and one of the two resonators deleted, which makes the car sound quite interesting, and I've never heard anything like it. After sitting overnight, here's a cold startup for you guys. Again, my Nissan Murano S has a modded exhaust. The cats are missing and the rear resonator is missing. So there's only one resonator on this exhaust. And if you ask me, it sounds like a snowmobile. I mean, identical to a snowmobile on the highway when you're revving, and there is a constant nasty snowmobile loud-like drone at the rear of the car. So I would not recommend that you do this to your exhausts, but if you don't have the money for a performance exhaust, it sounds actually pretty good outside the car, and it would sound even better if this wasn't the dreaded CVT transmission, if this was a manual transmission, then I do think that the car would sound okay. But with the CVT, or just even a regular automatic, if it had optioned one, I don't think it sounds all that great. So if you want your Nissan Murano S to sound even more sporty than what it come from the factory, yes, removing the cats and one of the resonators is illegal, but it is an option. But I would highly recommend that you go out and purchase a performance exhaust for this car. However, I will let you guys decide how this exhaust sounds from the video. I know the video probably doesn't do it justice. It sounds pretty good on the outside of the car, but just know if you do this to your exhaust, then on the inside, it's gonna sound a lot like a snowmobile. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel by hitting the big red button below. I'd love to have you guys as a permanent subscriber. I'd love to have you tuned into the channel for every upload that we do weekly. And with that said, you know, get out, enjoy your automotive ownership. Maybe that's chopping the exhaust off your Nissan Murano, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.